my name is Melissa and welcome to my channel. So if you guys have been here before, you probably know that I love to tie-dye. Me and my kids tie-dye every single spring usually, but this year we decided, well, we were just really busy and we decided to tie-dye in the fall. So here we go. Let's just get on with it right away and see how these things turn out. We just got mostly all brand new white t-shirts, and I got one sweatshirt and a pair of old stained pants. Alright, we've got all of the colors ready, and now we are going to rubber bind our shirts. I put them in the washing machine and washed them on hot with soap and no fabric softener, and now we're just going to rubber binder them and put the dye on. I'm going to try something different. I don't know what's going to happen, but that's the fun of it. So I'm going to kind of rubber binder this shirt in half, and then I want to do half like one kind of colors and the other half the other kind of colors. So I'm going to rubber bind it, and then I'm going to scrunch each side and rubber bind the two scrunched separate sections, and that'll be a fun experiment. All right, what is this creation?
I don't know.
It's a t-shirt with bullseyes and probably going to be stripes, right?
Yeah, this is like a head, I guess. You know, it's like,
Okay.
mine is like Maddie's but messier.
So another bullseye t-shirt. And then over here I've got my sweatshirt, which is just going to be a scrunch. And then over here we've got some pants. And these are just basically rubber banded, so they'll look kind of stripey and kind of scrunchy. And then we have a little bullseye t-shirt. All right, and then we're making Dad a shirt that has some funny
Boobies and a belly
pectorals
button.
and some bullseyes and some random polka dots.
Yeah, there's also some on the shoulder.
And then this is my half and half shirt. So it's rubber binded here, and then each side has a different scrunch section. Alright, it's time for the reveal. So the first ones I'm going to show you, my teenage daughters did, and they did the bullseye method. So that is what one side looks like, and the other. The bullseye method is so easy to rubber bind yourself. This one is also done with the bullseye method, and the colors turned out really vibrantly. All I did this time was wash these before in the washing machine. There's the other side. I washed them with hot water, and then we just, while they were damp, we rubber binded them. So super easy. This is my sweatshirt. I think this is my favorite thing of all. And it just turned out absolutely beautifully. Here's the back. This is a Walmart sweatshirt. It's just one of like the Time and True. It's a medium, and these ones do shrink a little bit, I think. So I usually wear a small, but I figured I was gonna dry this, so I would get it in a medium. And then also it's more cozy that way. This is the other one that I did. I wanted to try something new and do the half and half look. And it's looking a little bit more faded on camera than it is in real life, but it's really pretty and bright actually. Let me see if it helps if I put it up close. I don't know. Anyway, that's that one. And this is another Walmart Time and True shirt. And these ones are so cute. If you guys like more of like a boxy looking t-shirt rather than like a really, if you have a short torso, those are awesome. But the really, the other ones are just like really long, and I don't know. I don't think they're as flattering. Plus, I love me a good pocket t-shirt. For some reason, they just look really cute and vintage to me, and I like to roll up the sleeves. Anyways, this is the one that my kids made for my husband. They were calling it the boobie shirt. So it kind of looks like boobies and a belly button. There's one side. And this is the back. It's really cute. He doesn't actually usually wear tie-dye, but I don't know, maybe he'll just wear it to please the kids. Alright, these were my son's stained up old pants, and he just wanted to dye something else. We still had extra dye left over. We used so much dye, but I don't know, that goes way further than you think it's going to in those little kits. But he just dyed these, and I did like a weird rubber binder method, and it almost kind of looks like pee pants right there. The yellow's just in the wrong spot, but it's okay. He's probably just gonna use them as PJs, and he really likes them, and he was trying to get every color on his clothes. And then this is his little tie-dye shirt. It turned out so good. This is obviously the swirl method, and it's a classic. I always love the swirl method. Also, I forgot to mention for the scrunch method. So if you guys don't know how to do those methods and you want me to show you, I could totally make another video showing you like the different methods. But that is all that we did this time. Actually, that's a lie. I also have a surprise coming. If you guys are subscribed to my channel, make sure that you stay tuned or subscribe and come back. So I'm in the process of tie-dyeing a pair of Hey Dude shoes, and they're pretty expensive. I have tie-dyed shoes in the past, but they've been like $3 Walmart shoes that are canvas, and these ones I bought brand new, so it's a little bit scary. I haven't washed them out yet. I don't know if they are going to turn out or not, but I'll be rinsing them out probably tomorrow because these are supposed to sit longer than the shirts are. So if you guys want to see how these turned out, or if it's a giant fail, then make sure that you come back and say hi in the comments. And I hope you enjoy this short little video, and I'll definitely be doing more tie-dye, and I have some other tie-dye on my channel as well. I did a Halloween tie-dye last year, which was really fun, and I tried it on for everyone too. So I don't know. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna let you go. I hope you guys have a good, happy day, and make sure you come back and see all my fall content that's coming soon. See you next time. Bye.
You bye.